Said you wanna come and see me day and night. You're the only one that's running through my mind. I don't want your love unless it's only mine. You know I deserve that. Get a feeling when you come around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, I created this pretty simple Valentine's Day look. So this is pretty much a hot pink, kind of reddish, monochromatic look that I wanted to do with a nice thick winged liner, some nude glossy lips, because you can never go wrong with nude glossy lips. Whether you're a full out glam girl or a simple girl, it's just like the perfect thing to do. So I created this look for anyone that pretty much wants to still get glam but not like too much glam, like not a lot of like shimmer and nothing too complicated with the eye look. I actually was gonna do a cut crease with this, but I was like, you know what, I want to do something for maybe someone that doesn't know how to do a cut crease, doesn't want to bother with a cut crease, or may not even have the time. So that's why I wanted to do this look. And I did add a pop of shimmer to my inner corners. I was gonna do a full out matte eye, but I was like, while I was taking pictures, I was just like, I need the shimmer, I need that inner corner highlight, and I think it just evened out everything so nicely. Adding that pop of shimmer into my inner corners really just brought my eyes out a lot more. So yeah, I'm really happy with this look. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. And yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get right into this tutorial, and happy Valentine's Day. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the eyes today, and I'm taking my ColourPop concealer in Tan 50, and I'm going to apply that as my base, blend that out, and apply some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And then I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take those two bottom shades. I'm going to go in with the middle tan shade first and apply that to my crease. And then I'm going to grab that reddish brown shade in the bottom right corner, and I'm going to apply that to my crease using my Sigma E38 diffused crease brush. Then I'm just going to go in with a fluffier blending brush just to blend everything out nicely. Then I'm going to go back into that palette, and I'm going to take this orangish, or orangey I should say, reddish shade, and I'm going to apply that to my lid. Next, I'm going to take my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take Love Letter, and I'm going to apply that to my lid. And then going back into the palette again, I'm going to grab Venetian Red and Red Ochre, and I'm going to apply those to my lid as well. Going in with the fluffy blending brush again, I'm just going to blend that out nicely, and then go back in with Love Letter just to make it a little bit more pigmented. And then this time with the fluffy blending brush, I'm going to drag some of those pink shades up into the crease a little bit so they, blend a little bit better. And I'm just cleaning up my eye with some wipes. Then I'm going to take this Maybelline Line Stiletto liquid liner and just do a winged liner. Before applying my falsies, I'm just going to add some mascara. This is the MAC 3D Black Lash in Extreme. I honestly, guys, the name is so long, but it'll be on the screen. I always try to remember it, I don't know why. But I'm applying these lashes, and they are Slay by Ella lashes in the style Desire. And I actually applied them with my finger this time. It was actually easier. Then I'm going to grab that orangey red shade from the Huda Beauty palette and apply that to my bottom lash line first. Then I'm going to take Love Letter and apply that right on top. Moving on to the brows, I'm taking my ABH Brow Wiz in dark brown to outline my brows. And then I'm going to fill them in with the Benefit Ka-Brow in number 5. I'm also going to clean up my brows with some concealer, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. on to the skin, I'm going to take my Mario Badescu facial spray to prep my skin. Then I'm going to grab my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Primer and apply that. And then I'm going to go in with my Becca Backlight Priming Filter and apply that on top. I really wanted to just glow from within, but I still wanted to keep my skin really nice and moisturized. That's why I decided to use both primers for this look. And for my foundation today, I decided to mix. I don't know why, sometimes I like mixing foundations. So I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation and my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. And as you can see, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like when I mix them. The one that's running is the Fenty Beauty because it's a lot more liquidy. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with my damp beauty blender. I'm going in with a little bit more foundation because I did only add 1 pump of each, and I'm just going to blend that out again. And then to highlight my face, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Tan 50. And while I let that warm up, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Truffle, and I'm going to use that to contour. I like to apply this to my brush first and then apply it, especially because it's more on the dry side, even though it's still like a contour cream stick. So I just find that applying it with the brush, it just applies a lot less harsh and a lot smoother, and I also find that it's easier to blend out that way. To give myself a little light nose contour, I'm using the LA Girl Concealer in Chestnut. And then after blending that out, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using my Ben Nye Banana Luxury Powder. This isn't super necessary since the Fenty Beauty Matchstick is more on the powdery side, but I'm still going to go ahead and set my contour using the Ruby Kisses Mineral Powder in Honey Brown, and then I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my cheekbones with the setting powders so that my contour is more defined. I'm going to go in with the Pixie Beauty Glow Mist, and I'm going to just spray my face right before applying my highlight, and then I'm going to take the It's My Rary and BH Cosmetics collab, and I'm going to take Radiant, which is that middle shade right there, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. I'm also just going to go back into my bottom lash line and just apply some more of those shadows just because I felt like I lost a little bit of that pigmentation. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my bottom lashes, and I'm also applying the It's My Ray Ray highlight to my brow bone. I'm going to apply the ABH Blush Trio in Peachy Love, and I'm using Nectarine as my blush. And for today's lip combo, I'm going to use my MAC Cork Liner. And then I'm going to take my favorite nude lipstick at the moment, which is the MAC and Nicki Minaj collab in A Girl's Got Needs. And then I'm going to take another MAC and Nicki Minaj collab, and this is the lip gloss in... Damn, I forgot. 1 second, guys. This is in the shade Bow, and this gloss is so pretty, especially on top of this lipstick. And for my eyes, I actually wasn't sure if I wanted to do nude or black liner, so I actually did both. So I started off with the nude liner, and I was like, let me see if I want the blacks. So I applied the black liner to the outer parts of my waterline, and then just kept the nude for the inner parts of my waterline. And just like I mentioned in my intro, I went back and applied some inner corner highlight to complete the look. And you guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think about this look down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy watching it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.